Today we will learn and understand the pulse jet baghouse filter cages. Today, we will learn and understand the following topics in the pulse jet baghouse. The first topic is the construction of the fabric filter cages. The second topic is components of the fabric filter cage. We will discuss the above topics in the upcoming slides. Next, we will learn and understand the construction of the pulse jet bag filter cages. The construction details of the fabric filter are as follows. Please refer to the picture for a better understanding. Cages and venturis work together to maximize airflow through the baghouse filter media inside pulse jet baghouses. A wire structure supports filter bags in a pulse jet baghouse. Bags are hung from a tube sheet at the top of the housing. Gas flow is from outside to inside the bag. Dust collects on the outside. The cage supports the bag vertically. An air blast creates a shock wave that knocks dust off the bag surface. Please refer to the picture for a better understanding. It consists of vertical wire or rods connected by horizontal rings at regular intervals, forming a rigid, open structure. Please refer to the picture for a better understanding. Next, we will learn and understand the components of the fabric filter cages. The cages consist of the following key components. The first components of the filter cage is top cap or collar or flange. Top cap or collar or flange is used to connect the cage to the tube sheet in the dust collector. Please refer to the picture for a better understanding. The second component of the filter cage is venturi. The top cap or collar or flange is included with a venturi, a small cone-shaped device, to help distribute the cleaning air pulse. Please refer to the picture for a better understanding. The venturi helps improve pulse jet cleaning efficiency by directing and accelerating the compressed air blast into the filter bag, ensuring effective dust release. Next, the common venturi design as follows. The first design is called integrated or welded immersed venturi. The second design is called raised or separate venturi. Next, we will learn and understand the components of the fabric filter cages. The cages consist of the following key components. The third component of the filter cage is vertical or longitudinal wires, or rods. Cage wires, spaced equally around the cage's circumference, offer support over the filter bag's length. Please refer to the picture for a better understanding. Usually 8, 10, 12, 16, 20 or 24 longitudinal wires, rods provide structural support. Typically, longitudinal wire 3 to 4 mm in diameter. Please refer to the picture for a better understanding. 8 to 24 longitudinal wires are joined together to make the cage depending on requirements. Non-woven bags may use 8 to 12 wires. Woven bags may use 12 to 24 wires. More delicate media, such as fiberglass, will damage when flexed. It requires maximum support of the wire cage. Next, we will learn and understand the components of the fabric filter cages. The cages consist of the following key components. The fourth components of the filter cage are horizontal rings. Horizontal rings are spaced approximately every 6 to 8 inches, 150 to 200 mm, to prevent bag collapse and maintain shape. Usually, horizontal rings are 4 to 5 mm in diameter. Please refer to the picture for a better understanding. The fifth components of the filter cage are bottom end. Cages with a welded bottom design have individual wires welded to them, while in a crimped base design, the wires are crimped over the bottom of the pan. Please refer to the picture for a better understanding. Next, we will learn the filter cage diameter ranges. The cage diameter starts from 90 mm to 165 mm. Next, we will learn the filter cage shapes. It is available in the shape of round, oval, star, and other shapes. Next, we will learn and understand the components of the fabric filter cages. The cages consist of the following design. Next, we will learn and understand the cage type of construction. Generally single pieces up to 6 meters. Depending upon the requirement, a split type of cage is also available up to 6 meters. When for cages longer than 6 meters, it may be in 2 or 3 pieces. Please refer to a picture for a better understanding. 2 pieces of the cages joined together in the middle. Next, we will learn and understand the cage types of material. The first is mild steel. The second is pre-galvanized. The third is epoxy or powder coatings to protect against corrosion and extend the life of the cage. The fourth is stainless steel, SS304, SS316. Next, we will learn and understand the venturi types of material. The first is mild steel, or cast iron. The second is pre-galvanized. The third is epoxy or powder coatings to protect against corrosion and extend the life of the cage. The fourth is stainless steel SS304, SS316. The fifth is aluminum. We hope everyone learns and understands the following topics in the pulse jet baghouse filter cage. The first topic is the construction of the fabric filter cages. The second topic is components of the fabric filter cages. Watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.